We're getting a lot of questions about the safety of air travel. I want to be very clear. It is safe to fly. At the FAA, we will never compromise safety, which is why air travel remains the safest form of transportation. Everyone knows about the ongoing delays at Newark Airport due to severe congestion, old equipment, air traffic controller staffing issues, and runway construction. But what I want to emphasize is that while there may be inconvenience, you will be safe. When disruptions occur at any airport because of equipment issues or staffing, the FAA will always ensure safety by slowing down airport arrivals and departures and reducing congestion. We keep the flying public safe because there are redundancies built throughout the entire system used by pilots, technicians, and air traffic controllers. As Secretary Duffy and I have said, our nationwide air traffic control system is antiquated, and we need more air traffic controllers. That's why we recently announced plans to build a new world-class air traffic system that is more efficient, more resilient, and prepared to meet the demands of the future. And it's why we've supercharged our air traffic controller hiring efforts to quickly get thousands more controllers on the job. But these fixes will take some time. You may experience some flight delays and disruptions this summer. While this is certainly not ideal, we need to do what's necessary to keep everyone in the skies safe. Bottom line, you will be safe when you fly.